Are you eagerly awaiting your Zalando haul and constantly refreshing your email? Let's ditch the suspense and get you tracking like a pro. First things first, if you have the Zalando app, give it a tap to open it if you prefer your desktop. No worries, the steps are nearly identical on the Zalando website. Once you're in the app, look for the profile icon, typically located in the bottom right corner on the website. It's usually labeled My Account and is probably at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Give that a click. Okay, you're in your account now. Find the Orders section. It might also be called My Orders. Seriously, tap or click it. Voila! Here you'll see a list of all your Zalando purchases. Find the order you're stocking and click on it. Make sure you select the exact order you want to track. Now comes the magic. On the details page for your order, look for a button that says Track Your Parcel or something similar like Track Delivery. It's your golden ticket to tracking bliss. Clicking that button will take you to a page with all the juicy details about your delivery. You'll see the current status of your package, whether it's in transit, out for delivery, or already arrived. Most importantly, you'll find the estimated delivery date and time. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate, but it gives you a pretty good idea of when to expect your delivery. And that's it. Now you can track your Zalando order like a pro and be ready to receive your amazing new finds. Happy shopping!